How to fix PxHlpa64.sys memory integrity error in Windows 11. Hello friends, the driver PxHlpa64.sys is flagged as incompatible when you try to enable memory integrity. This driver can also cause the 0xC1900101 error during the Windows 11 setup. Follow the steps to fix a memory integrity error caused by the driver. You will have to uninstall the driver as a solution. Method 1 is uninstall the PxHlpa64.sys using a registry file. Go to the video description. You will find this link there. Click on this link. The zip file will be downloaded in your default browser. Click on the folder icon once completed. Click on Extract All. Select Extract. Right click on this reg file and select Open. Click on Run. If user account control pop-up appears, click on Yes. On this warning pop-up, click on Yes. The keys and values contained in this path have been successfully added to the registry. Click on OK. Close the File Explorer and browser and restart your computer. Then go to the memory integrity. You can enable it successfully. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Windows Security. Select Device Security from here. Click on Core Isolation Details. Turn on Memory Integrity. You can also uninstall PxHlpa64.sys using command prompt. For this, open the command prompt. Click on Search. Type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Again go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Copy the first command. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Output on my computer is the specified service does not exist as an installed service. Since we have removed the driver in the first method already, so this output is here. On your computer, the output should be operation completed successfully or deleted successfully or removed successfully. Then copy the next command from the description. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Close the command prompt. Close other running tasks and restart your computer. Turn on the memory integrity from the Windows Security app. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.